What is the difference between molecular weight and formula weight? Some compounds do not exist as individual molecules. Such as there is no such thing as a molecule of sodium chloride. That's why it is appropriate to use the term formula weight for this type of compound. However, some compounds do exist as individual molecules. For example, water, carbon dioxide, etc. So it is appropriate to use the term molecular weight for it. Why ammonia is a nucleophile? Ammonia is a nucleophile because it has a lone pair of electrons and a delta charge on the N atom. A nucleophile is a reactant that provides a pair of electrons to form a new covalent bond. Nucleophiles are Lewis bases. A nucleophile is either a negative ion or a molecule with a delta charge somewhere. Ammonia doesn't carry a negative charge. It has a lone pair of electrons. And nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen. Nitrogen atom has a delta charge. So NH3 can act as a nucleophile, attack the delta carbon atom of an alkyl halide.